Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo están todos? Elsie here. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today I'm gonna be reacting to this performance that is highly recommended coming from Gabriel Henriquez fans. Yeah, very much appreciated. Thank you for your kind words and thank you for your recommendations. So this performance is coming from Gabriel Enrique and Kiev. Yeah, doing a collaboration for the song Open Arms. And this is a Spanish version. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Come on. Oh, Open Arms. Wow. So this is Kids with Gabriel Henrique. He has also a nice voice. Unlike Gabriel, this is my first time to hear from him. With Gabriel, I've been reacting to Gabriel in the past, yeah, back then. It looks like that they have the same genre, right? Parehas sila ng race. Wow. Nice blending. They can be a duo, right? Their voices are beautiful blending together. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. It's nice listening to them together. Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow. Two talented people. Wow, that was stunning. You know, it was beautiful. Yeah, both of them nailed their parts in this performance. And I like how they blended their voices together. It's a beautiful duet. Yeah, basically, they can be an effective duo, right? Yeah, and it's indeed fascinating watching them. Yeah, two different artists with two different voices. Yeah, I believe though that they are in the same genre. But what is fascinating is that when they blend their voices together, it's a complete harmony, right? Yeah, it's a beautiful music. And they sound harmonious together. They complement each other, you know? No one is less, no one is more. they both excel. Yeah, both of them was able to showcase their voices, the power of the vocals together equally. So like it's a beautiful collaboration per se. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Adios.